In everyday language, people often use the terms responsibility, accountability, and liability as if they are synonyms. They are intertwined, but they are not the same. Responsibility is the duty to take action. Responsibility can also be shared. Taking responsibility is something you or a group chooses to do, not something an authority assigns to you. You can be assigned a task, but you choose to take ownership of getting that task done. Undertaking the task fulfills the responsibility. The problem with responsibility is there is no one to challenge you if you fail to meet your obligations. Accountability. Being accountable means that some authority can hold you answerable for your actions after the task or situation is over. Only one person can be accountable. You can think of it as literally needing to provide an account or explanation of what happened. You might need to provide an account just to confirm how the task was completed or to educate people about the results. Or you might have to provide an explanation to an authority if something goes wrong. Let's take a look at a simple example to differentiate between these two terms. If you have plants in your house, you have taken on the responsibility for their well-being. If the plants thrive, you will feel proud at the results of your efforts. And if the plants die, you will know you let yourself and the plants down. Now let's say as a parent, you give your child the chore of taking care of the plants. Your child might take on that responsibility and take great care of the plants. If your child forgets to water the plants, then they fail to take responsibility and they will be accountable to you to explain why the plants died. Liability. Liability has a formal legal definition. Liability means having legal responsibility for one's actions and being accountable to the justice system. There is also an element of disadvantage to being liable. In addition to the fact you need to explain things to the courts, there is also the possibility of a sanction or punishment.